Welcome to number 8 Pine Street in the sought-after Glades estate of Glenning Valley. This beautifully designed single-level home is just the perfect entertainer. I'm Paul Hills and I'm super excited to present to you this wonderful home.
We going up, we take it down.
With spacious interiors and seamless indoor-outdoor flow, this home is designed for comfort and style. Imagine unwinding in your own heated pool, perfect for the cool winter nights and all year round enjoyment.